This is Global Auto Digest, your daily dose of the finest in automotive excellence. Today, we are diving into a machine that brings heritage and modernity together in perfect harmony, the Jawa Classic 352 2025 edition. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a revival of a timeless icon, designed for a new era of riders who crave both classic charm and next-gen performance. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Jawa Classic 350 captivates with its vintage-inspired design, sculpted fuel tank, and those signature chrome finishes. Every curve, every detail crafted to turn heads and ignite nostalgia. But don't let its retro looks fool you. Underneath, this machine roars with modern engineering. Powered by a refined 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, it delivers smooth torque, responsive acceleration, and a ride quality that's hard to match. Whether you are cruising through the city or opening up on a country road, the Jawa responds with grace and power. What really makes the 2025 version stand out are its premium upgrades. You get all-new LED lighting that not only boosts visibility, but adds a sharp, modern contrast to its vintage soul. The front and rear disc brakes offer confident stopping power, backed by dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety in all conditions. The color palette is simply stunning, from deep maroons and rich blacks to elegant matte finishes, letting you choose the look that reflects your personality. Hop on the saddle and you'll feel the perfect blend of comfort and control. The seat is designed for long rides, while the handlebar position keeps your posture relaxed. And with a smart semi-digital dashboard, you get the essentials right where you need them, from trip meters to fuel indicators, all displayed with clarity and class. And let's talk ride quality. The Jawa Classic 350 handles beautifully thanks to its telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers. It glides over rough roads while keeping you fully connected to the ride. The exhaust note. Deep, rich, and unmistakably Jawa, a sound that echoes the brand's legendary status. Connectivity and convenience also see upgrades this year. With subtle touches like mobile charging ports, better lighting placement, and improved instrumentation, it's clear this bike is built for today's rider without losing its timeless charm. Whether you are a seasoned enthusiast or a new rider looking for something that blends history with innovation, the Jawa Classic 350 2025 is more than a ride, it's an experience. An expression of freedom. A machine that respects the past while charging ahead into the future. So, are you ready to own the road with elegance? Because the Jawa Classic 350 is waiting, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. Subscribe to Global Auto Digest. See you in the next video.